Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization of this mode. We have to enter the settings. That was a misclick, of course. Let's enter the settings and find the display. Let's tap. Now let's tap on the reading mode, because as you can see in this case, in this device, the reading mode is the same situation as the eye comfort mode. So let's tap on it and let's tap on this switcher at the top to actually apply it. And as you can see, the screen immediately changes the colors. Right now it is more yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode because it will be simply more comfortable, as I said. Here we've got two different modes of this feature, the classic one and the paper one. The only difference between them is the background. When in the paper one, we can apply the paper-like texture to the background. Of course, I'll show you both, but let's start with the classic. Let's tap on this arrow to actually be able to customize it. As you can see, we've got the preview, so we will be able to check how our changes will affect the colors. So thanks to the switcher, we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, much warmer. But to be honest, there's the difference is not really that visible. I mean, maybe just a little bit, which is really interesting. Yeah, there's really a small difference between the coolest setting and the warmest one. Oh, that's interesting, really. As I said, we've got also the paper one, so let's tap on it and tap on this arrow, and here we've got the same situation. Really strange. Is it really how it should look like? Yeah, I assume yes. So as I said, we've got the same situation, the color temperature here. We've got the preview, so we can check how it will affect. Spoiler alert, it will not. Here we've got the texture, so I'm not really sure how to show it to you, because the texture will be visible whenever we'll be on the coolest setting, but because it does not really change a lot, I'm not sure if you will be able to see that. However, by going to the right, we can make the texture much sharper and much more visible. I think you probably can see it right here, that the background is sharp, and by going to the left, of course, we can smooth it out, and it will not be visible. So of course, it's up to you which option you prefer. We've got also the colors, which is the option that was not available in the previous mode. So currently we've got full colors, so of course we will have this shield. However, the colors will be normally displayed. We've got also light colors, and as you can see on the preview, right now they are a little bit dull and kind of washed out. And of course we can choose also black and white, so everything will be monochromatic. So it's up to you which option you prefer. Of course, you can restore defaults here. So this is how to customize this reading mode, and I almost forgot we can also schedule that feature. So by using the switcher, we can turn on and off this mode manually, and here we can schedule it. So we can set a custom period, our start and the end time, or we can choose good night's read, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so it's up to you, of course, which option you prefer. So that was the customization, and now let me show you faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar. We have to unroll it fully to open this panel, and now let's find this icon reading mode. So all we have to do is to tap on it to turn it off, because it was previously turned on, and the same situation if we want to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.